shown here. Fragmentation of phenol. So, this is the phenol. This is the phenol structure. So, one electron is removed, then radical cation is formed. Now, this molecular ion undergoes rearrangement. So, H radical is lost or rearrangement, not H radical is lost, but it undergoes rearrangement. M by value is 94. So, it will rearrange to this type of radical cation, same M by value, then it will losing neutral CO molecule. So, we get M by Z 66, mass M by Z value correspond to that radical cation is 66 after losing CO molecule. Then it will losing H radical, we get cyclopentadienyl cation M by Z 65. So, this is the fragmentation of phenol. Now, fragmentation of paracresol, substituted phenol. So, paracresol producing molecular ion M by Z 108 losing H radical, then CH2 cation is there and it undergoes equivalent to tropalium ion rearrangement. Hydroxytropalium ion correspond to M by Z 107 losing CO molecule form a this type of cation M by Z 79 losing H2 molecule neutral phenyl cation and it will losing neutral acetylene molecule to form C4H3 plus cation M by Z 51. In general, substituted phenol undergoes fragmentation, its side chain is substituted here CH2 R group. So, fragmentation at this branch and R radical is lost and this type of tropalium ion is rearranged. So, this bond CC bond is broken down, generally this chain is so many long 2 or 3 or 4 carbon atom, but cleavage taking place at this place. So, benzyl cation is formed, substituted benzyl cation, it will undergo rearrangement to form this 7 member ring. So, here this benzyl substituted benzyl cation means hydroxy cation is formed here and it is a base peak. Now, another class of compound is ethers. Ether are two type again, aliphatic and aromatic ether. So, here aliphatic ethers, first of all we shall discuss with the aliphatic ethers undergoes facile fragmentation and exhibit weak molecular ion peak because the ions is stabilized by resonance. So, here it can be explained by this type of general structure. So, molecular ion is produced by removal of one electron from this substituted ether which is losing methyl radical. So, fragmentation at this CC bond which is produced methyl radical and this type of cation. So, here homolytic fission is there, this CC bond one electron giving here methyl radical is lost and it will form a double bond here. This cation undergoes resonance and we get this type of cations. Second point, the alpha cleavage of a bond, alpha to oxygen atom occurs, the positive charge being retained on the carbon than on the oxygen. So, this is the case here. So, alpha bond is there cleavage. So, radical R dash is removed as a cation and this OR is radical, OR radical is lost, this is here oxygen having a one electron. So, OR radical is there and R dash cation is formed. So, this is by alpha cleavage. Now, beta cleavage, a heteroatom induced cleavage at a beta bond beta to it. Such a cleavage favors the loss of larger group as a radical. So, it can be shown by this reaction. So, one electron coming from here, this is beta bond, carbon alkyl group is a beta bond. So, one electron come here, one from radical cation forming a double bond and R radical is lost. So, here CO double bond is formed and it is a cation. The ion undergoes further fragmentation to give the series of ions at M by Z 45, 59, 73, 87 like that. So, diethyl ether fragmentation is shown here. So, molecular ion produced from the diethyl ether having M by Z value 74. On beta cleavage, methyl radical is lost. This is alpha, this is beta. So, methyl radical is lost and here carbon oxygen double bond is formed. So, M by Z value 59. So, methyl radical correspond to 15 mass unit, less in 74. So, it becomes 59. Then further neutral ethylene molecule is lost after rearrangement of this cation. So, ethylene molecule is lost, we get this type of ion, oxonium ion M by Z 31. So, ether also give oxonium ion at M by 31, primary alcohol also giving these cations. Similarly, alpha cleavage, this is beta cleavage. Now, on alpha cleavage ethyl radical is lost. Alpha cleavage means oxygen and carbon bond, this is alpha bond, this is beta bond. So, alpha cleavage ethyl radical is lost, sorry, ethoxy radical is lost and ethyl cation is formed at M by Z 29. So, ethoxy radical and ethyl cation is formed. So, this is the alpha beta cleavage in aliphatic ether. Now, aromatic alkyl ether. Aromatic alkyl ethers. So, one side it is aromatic ring, other side it is alkyl group. So, phenyl ring is there. So, this type of ether by removing one electron it produce molecular ion. So, methoxy radical is lost. So, beta bond cleavage here carbon oxygen. So, methoxy radical is lost and benzyl cation is formed. This benzyl cation stability is more, that is why beta cleavage is favored. So, benzyl cation undergoes rearrangement to tropylium ion M by Z 91, which loses acetylene molecule to form C5H5 plus at M by Z 65. Now, this aromatic alkyl ether undergoes rearrangement. So, it will form 6 member transition state, Mac-Lafferty rearrangement is there and it will losing neutral formaldehyde molecule, neutral HCHO molecule and this rearranged ion having a M by Z value 92 is formed. So, this neutral formaldehyde is lost here and hydrogen is attached here on aromatic ring, one is already there and other is here. So, M by Z 92 is formed after rearrangement. Now, third type is aromatic ethers. Aromatic ether. So, methoxy group is attached to the aromatic ring. So, aromatic ether is anisole, example is. So, it will form a radical cation by losing one electron from the lone pair or double bond of a phenyl ring pi electron, that is. So, after cleavage of alpha bond methyl radical is lost and this type of cation is formed M by Z value 93. Now, this cation losing neutral CO molecule to form C5H5 plus M by Z 65, which further loses acetylene molecule to C3H3 plus having M by Z value 39. Now, second case, this anisole molecule undergoes rearrangement. So, this carbon oxygen one electron goes to this carbon oxygen and H radical is attached here. So, neutral formaldehyde molecule is lost after rearrangement. So, we get M by Z 78, M by Z 78 radical cation, which loses H radical to form phenyl cations, which is very stable cation due to resonance having M by Z value 77 and directly this anisole molecule losing methoxy radical. So, carbon oxygen cleavage attached to the phenyl ring, methoxy radical is lost, then also phenyl cation is formed and this phenyl cation further loses acetylene molecule to rearrange C4H3 plus cation M by Z 51. Now, substituted ether, aromatic ether, substituted aromatic ether. So, here carbon chain is more than 2 or 3 or more than 2 carbon atoms. So, rearrangement is there. So, after producing molecular ion it will undergo rearrangement and neutral alkene molecule is lost depending on the substituent. Minimum is 3 carbon atom or 2 carbon atom, then ethylene molecule is there. If 3 carbon, then propylene, 4 and higher giving here substitution. So, production of this ion M by Z 94 after rearrangement. So, it is a rearranged ion by loss of neutral alkene molecule. Now, another class of compound is aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. So, again aldehyde and ketones are aromatic as well as aliphatic. So, aliphatic aldehydes. So, in aliphatic aldehyde displays molecular ion of low intensity and readily undergoes alpha cleavage to furnish acylium ion. So, here acetaldehyde is there. After H radical and methyl radical is lost, we have two cations M by Z 43 and M by Z 29. Similarly, alpha cleavage or beta cleavage, it will form R plus and M by Z 43 radical. So, R plus M minus 43 is formed here. Similarly, homolytic beta cleavage also occurs resulting in the resonance stabilized M by Z 43. So, this type of cation is formed after beta cleavage. Now, Mac-Lafferty rearrangement is also formed in case of ketonic compound or aldehyde compound. So, it will lose neutral ethylene molecule and M by Z 44 MR ion is formed. Now, aromatic aldehyde. So, intense molecular ion peak is observed. So, here fragmentation of benzaldehyde is there after producing molecular ion, H radical is lost and M minus 1 peak at M by Z 105 is formed. So, after M minus 1 peak production, it will further losing neutral CO molecule and phenyl cation is produced. Phenyl cation also undergoes rearrangement and neutral acetylene molecule is lost, ultimately C4H3 plus ion 51 M by Z is produced. Now, aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones, molecular ion peak is of most ketones are quite intense, more so than aldehydes. So, ketonic compound on alpha cleavage on removal of methyl and ethyl radical produce cation at M by Z 43 and 57. Similarly, Mac-Lafferty rearrangement is also formed here, having a gamma hydrogen by elimination of beta bond and Mac-Lafferty rearranged ion is formed. Double Mac-Lafferty rearrangement is observed in case of 4-heptanone as we have discussed earlier. Now, cyclic ketones. Ketone another class, cyclic ketone aliphatic, molecular ion peak is prominent, the base peak is found in the spectra of cyclopentanone and cyclohexanone at M by Z 55. This can be shown by this reaction. So, after rearrangement it will show M by Z 55, this can be shown by this reaction. Now, aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketones, in aromatic compound molecular ion peak is strong peaks, okay, and alpha cleavage gives resonance stabilized benzoic ion. So, here acetophenone fragmentation is shown here. So, acetophenone produce, this is general structure, acetophenone fragmentation, methyl radical is lost after alpha cleavage and this type of M by Z 105, this type of cation is formed which loses CO molecule and phenyl cation undergoes rearrangement to 51 M by Z C4H3 plus ion. On the other hand, phenyl radical is lost and CH3CO plus ion is formed at M by Z 43. Now, carboxylic acid. So, in carboxylic acid, molecular ion peak is more prominent. Molecular ion peak in aliphatic acid is less intense as compared to the aromatic acids. So, carbonyl group is eliminated by alpha cleavage and a fragment ion is formed at M by 45. So, COOH plus ion is formed at M by 45. If alpha carbon atom is not substituted in aliphatic acids containing a gamma hydrogen atom, a Mac-Lafferty rearrangement ion is formed at M by 60. So, here fragmentation of pentanoic acid is seen. So, this is the molecular ion produced from pentanoic acid. It will losing ethyl radical here. So, alpha, beta and gamma bond is broke, ethyl radical is lost, and this type of cation at M by 73 resonance stabilized cation is formed. And on the other hand, this type of here alpha cleavage here. So, COH plus, so M by 45 is obtained, on alkyl radical is lost. Similarly, if carbon is more than 3 here, gamma hydrogen is there, Mac-Lafferty rearrangement is there, base peak is obtained at MR ion and M by value is 60. Aromatic carboxylic acid gives intense molecular ion peak compared to aliphatic one. Aromatic acid exhibit M by Z 45 COOH plus ion and M minus OH peak. So, benzoic acid fragmentation is shown here. This is the benzoic acid. OH radical is lost, M by Z 105 is formed, which in turn losing CO molecule, neutral CO molecule, phenyl cation and C4H3 plus cation is formed. Ortho substituted aromatic acid can eliminate water molecule. So, in salicylic acid, ortho effect is working here, losing H2O molecule, and this type of radical cation is formed at M by Z 120. Now, esters, molecular ion peak is weak. The fragment ion due to alpha cleavage is usually observed. There are significant differences in the mass spectra of methyl and ethyl esters. So, in methyl format, the base peak at M by Z 31 due to loss of CO molecule. So, M by Z 31 peak is there due to loss of CO molecule by rearrangement. So, alpha cleavage may occur to yield 4 ions like this way. So, this is the general structure of esters on alpha cleavage. OR radical is lost, R C triple bond O plus, stability is greater compared to this one, OCH3 group is there, then OR and R plus. Ester of long chain alcohol displays peak at 61, 75 and 89. These ions results from the elimination of alkyl moiety and transfer of 2 H atom. So, we get this type of cation at M by Z 61. Mac-Lafferty rearrangement also observed when gamma hydrogen is there by elimination of beta bond. So, MR ion is found at M by Z 74.